This is the TONIC coin 8-year overview reading for the years 2022 through 2029. It's currently January 11th, 2023, approximately 11:30 p.m. Eastern Time. TONIC at the time of this reading is 0.00000017. That's a decimal point 6 zeros and then 17, which is a super auspicious number, matter of fact. Interesting. And there was really only like not even a full month in 2022, so I'm just going to combine 2022 and 2023 into one card. The overall theme and behavior, there's something to do with government. This coin somehow it will be, significant somehow with government. There's also likely like a stable foundation. Either that or this becomes maybe it becomes a stable coin. Hard to say this early on, but oof. There's a notable collapse at some point, but that's crossed with a significant rally, and that's on the scale of a multi-year chart. Behavior around the highest high, we have bullish price swings around the highest high. So when we're at a highest price level and we're looking to determine if we're near a highest high, one of the things we're going to want to look for is price swings around that high. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a notable move. Wow, yeah, there's definite swings here. There's a notable move into and a notable move out of the lowest low price level. So it'll be like a big move down into the lowest low. It'll stand out on a multi-year, followed by a big move out of, also standing out on a multi-year. Often, and especially on the scale of like a multi-year kind of reading, the sun card can indicate the beginning of a rally. So we have 2023, which we're combining 2022 and 2023. So we decline from a key price level down to and through a support to meet another support, and then we rotate sideways along that support, along a key support level on a multi-year scale. 2024, even in the face of seemingly overwhelming headwinds, there's a notable move to the upside. 2025, erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level, in the midst of which we revisit a crest that was a past opportunity. On the scale of like an 8 to 10 year chart, I'd say past opportunity is probably like within 5 would be pushing it, but somewhere in there like 3 years. 2025, 2026, we pushed the upper end of a range much higher. This is the most bullish card in the deck. 2027, there's a U-shaped dip in 2027 that forms near the intersection of perpendicular diagonal trend lines. There may be something hidden that comes to light here as well, but that's after we have a significant move pushing the upper end of a range higher on a multi-year kind of scale. 2028, we have sideways rotation along a key support level, increasing with bearish sentiment as we move forward in time. And then 2029, an unexpected move higher. Unexpected move higher. Interesting. I'm advised to trade around move higher through a notable move higher through a key resistance level. We stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter, creating kind of like on a chart, like a multi-year kind of chart. We would see like kind of like a capital A in the English language, where there's like this triangle, a full retracement back down to where the big move higher started, and there's a price level that it crosses through in both directions. That would be like the horizontal A, kind of like this. The following 10-year period, we have a notable decline, increasing with momentum moving forward throughout that 10-year period. And that's TONIC for the 8-year period of 2020 through 2029. Guys, we're going to get into the Eso-Meta portion. If you're watching this on TikTok, you can see the full video by checking out our YouTube channel, tarotfortraders.com. That's Tarot for Traders, FOR Traders. All free videos there, and we're averaging like a 98% average accuracy, guys, so I'll see you there.
Guys, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. It really helps out the channel. We're so close to 1,000. We can monetize our watch time at 1,000. Just there. So if you haven't done so, it really helps out the channel. Thank you, my friends. Taking a look at the Eso-Meta portion after we've done the markup here. So we have this big decline here from where it started just at the end of 2022 at five zeros after the decimal and then a 4. Declines all the way down to 6 zeros after decimal and a 5. What I'm seeing is there's a high. This was obviously a high right here, and when I'm picking up on that as a significant price level, obviously it's the high, it's the IPO, that's a significant price level. But I mean, it comes into play again, so we see that price level again, and it, in fact, I think we probably see it again in 2024 or more likely 2025, maybe more than once in 2025. In 2026, looks like we pushed the upper end of the range higher, so we break through that price level, and then we have a notable U-shaped drop the following year, taking us to key support and to a trough that'll stand out. It was kind of hard to determine where the low is actually going to be because we didn't have a correlation here to the Magus card, but my sense is that there's a drop here because we have this unicursal that's tied to the sun energy. The sun energy, although it doesn't correspond to the Aeon energy, there is a notable, there is a similar kind of chart behavior there. So I went with kind of like a soft relation there. And I'm advised to trade in 2027 in the midst of that U-shaped drop. There'd be a great opportunity to open up a long position because we have this unexpected and notable move higher on a scale of a multi-year chart into the following 10-year period, or out of 2029. The following 10-year period of 2030 through 2039 doesn't look so high. We've got that decline that increases with momentum moving forward into the decade, but there is a notable move out of there, and there's probably a trade opportunity before we see that decline start. So a good opportunity to open up long here, and I'd say probably a good opportunity in 2023 to open up a long position as well. How far we go before we see that opportunity, hard to say. We may be at it because this is sideways rotation after a decline through to support and then through support to another support, and we rotate sideways. So we declined to support, right? And then through support, and now we've established, it looks like we've established another support here. So we could be in the midst of the end of this. Who knows how long it lasts, but I'd say it's probably a good opportunity to buy in. And that's TONIC for the 8-year period of 2022 through 2029. Guys, let me know what you think by hitting that like button. If you want to see more TONIC, comment below. You can always go to the website tarotfortraders.com and sign up for if you want to see monthlies of TONIC under the services tab. Sorry about that. Eso-Meta forecast, learn more. Type in TONIC. Sorry, click on there and then type in TONIC right here. It's $29 a month, guys. Lock in that price if you're interested in TONIC on a monthly basis. Lock in that price. You get the best trades that we see with each month, as well as that $29 a month price is going away come January 19th for all of our subscriptions. It's going up to $50, my friends. So if you want to grandfather in that $29, I highly recommend doing that sooner rather than later. Thank you so much for watching, and my friends, make sure that you follow the rule of karma. That's the most important part of this website, or of this channel, I should say. You can send your 5% back to the channel here, PayPal, Cash App. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the Rule of Karma video on our YouTube channel, Tarot for Traders. Thanks, guys. I'll see you later.